Guys, this is Matthew again. You see we won that trade right there. We're trading the touch no touch here. We dropped 3 strategies today across all the channels. Today is 15th of July 2025. So we're on the D trader interface and we're in dark mode. We're going to be trading the volatility 10-1s right here, touch no touch. And once you log into your trading account, go to volatility 10-1x, click on it, go to the trade type, touch no touch, set this to minutes, set this to 6 minutes. It's pushing right up, so I click on touch right there. So let's see, you see we won that trade right there. Set your barrier offset to minus 0.22, enter the amount you want to stake, and we're clicking on the touch. Once this is going right up, once it's pushing up, you can see the edges, it has to be going right up, then you click on touch immediately. So you have to wait for it to go up. It has to be going up. The barrier offset is minus 0.22. We're watching the circle here. It has to be going right up. So once it's going right up, you click on touch. You can see it's zigzag. The movement is down now. It's going down. It's going up. So I've clicked on touch right there. Gonna win that trade regardless. So you can see we already won that trade. Let's wait again for it to go up. It has to be going right up. So it's going up there. So click on touch right there. So you can see we won that trade. Won that trade. This strategy is 100% guaranteed. So you can go on and on and on. You can go on and on. It's going up again. So I click on touch right there. So you can see we won that trade as well. We won that trade. So you can go on and on and on when using this strategy. Um, so that's it for now, guys. For those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, we're still giving it away for free. It was on Deriv and other Forex broker platform that support MT5. You can use it to trade your volatility, your Forex pairs. So check the video description. And for those who haven't ordered the Toscaper board and the Pips Stripper boards, they're still available. Check the other pages. Check the video description, and we're giving away free gifts as well when you order any of our boards. So make sure you subscribe to all our channels. These are the links right there to get the buy sell indicator. Sign up for a free trading account using this link. Check the video description on YouTube. Subscribe to all these channels, 1, channel 2, and channel 3. Subscribe to all the channels. Then once you subscribe, send an email with the subject free indicator to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account that you just sign up for. So once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And for those who haven't purchased the Pips Stripper board, is a link to order the bot. Check the video description on YouTube. For the Toscaper board, is a link to order the bot. They are both automated and they work on Deriv. For those who don't have a trading account, click on this link in the video description to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo. And make sure you subscribe to all our channels to get updates and free strategies we drop regularly. And there are other infos as well in the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.